Welcome to Daily IQ. Today, 11th August 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 10 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. Who has become the youngest Indian to win a medal in the Summer Olympics? Answer is Aman Sehrawat. Aman Sehrawat became the youngest Indian to win an Olympic medal after he won a bronze medal in the men's freestyle 57 kilograms wrestling event at the Paris Olympics. He won the medal at the age of 21 years and 24 days. He broke the record of PV Sindhu, who won a silver medal at the 2016 Rio Olympics at the age of 21 years, 1 month, and 14 days. Question number 2. Who has been appointed as the head coach of India's junior men's hockey team? Answer is P.R. Srijesh. Hockey India has announced that retiring goalkeeper P.R. Srijesh will take over as the new head coach of the junior men's hockey team following India's bronze medal victory at the 2024 Olympics on 8 August. Srijesh, who retired at 36 and is also known as the Great Wall of Indian Hockey, celebrated as the best goalkeeper India has ever produced, his tenure included 2 Olympic bronze medals in Tokyo 2020 and Paris 2024. Question number 3. India's first round-the-clock grain ATM has been launched in which state? Answer is Odisha. India's first round-the-clock grain ATM was inaugurated on 8 August at Mancheswar in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, designed to transform the public distribution system for ration card holders. The ATM, named Annapati Grain ATM, was unveiled by Odisha's Minister for Food Supplies and Consumer Welfare, Krishna Chandra Patra, in the presence of Nozomi Hashimoto, Deputy Country Director of the World Food Programme in India. Question number 4. How many villages were recognized in India's first Best Tourism Village Awards? Answer is 35 villages. The Ministry of Tourism has launched the Best Tourism Villages competition to recognize villages that excel as tourism destinations. In the inaugural edition of the competition, held in 2023, 35 villages were recognized as Best Tourism Villages. The announcement was made by the Union Minister for Tourism and Culture, Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, in a written reply to the Rajya Sabha. Question number 5. Which state government has announced to establish the Guru Ghassidas Tema Pingala Tiger Reserve? Answer is Chhattisgarh. The Chhattisgarh government on 7 August announced that it would establish a new tiger reserve and named it as Guru Ghassidas Tema Pingala Tiger Reserve. This will be 4th tiger reserve in Chhattisgarh, located in the northern part of Chhattisgarh, bordering Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand. It is spread across the combined areas of the Guru Ghassidas National Park and Tema Pingala Wildlife Sanctuary in Chhattisgarh. Question number 6. Who has been awarded with the Hem Bahadur Mal Honor for 2079 BS? Answer is Bhesh Bahadur. Dr. Bhesh Bahadur Thapa was awarded the Hem Bahadur Mal Honor for the year 2079 BS by President Ramchandra Paudel in Kathmandu. The award, including a 2 lakh rupees cash prize, honors Dr. Bhesh Bahadur Thapa's significant contributions to Nepal's socio-economic, academic, and diplomatic fields. The award, established in memory of Hem Bahadur Mall, a prominent administrator and founding chair of Salt Trading Corporation. Question number 7. As per the 2024 Barclays report, who has been named as India's most influential woman leader? Answer is Roshni Nadar Malhotra. Roshni Nadar Malhotra, chairperson of HCL Technologies, is India's most influential woman, leading a family-owned business, according to the 2024 Barclays Private Clients Hurun India Most Valuable Family Businesses report. The Nadar family's business is valued at a staggering 430,600 crore rupees. Nisaba Godrej, from the renowned Godrej family, is another prominent figure, contributed to the family business's valuation of 172,500 crore rupees. Question number 8. Rajasthan's first flight training academy has been launched in. Answer is Ajmer. Rajasthan's first flight training academy, the Aviana Aviation Academy, has been launched at Kishangarh Airport in Ajmer district. The academy will focus on cutting-edge technology and innovative teaching methods. Chief Minister Bhajan Lal Sharma inaugurated the academy in Kishangarh. Question number 9. Who has been appointed as the new president and CEO of Boeing? Answer is Kelly Ortberg. Boeing has announced the appointment of Kelly Ortberg as its new president and CEO, effective 8 August 2024. Ortberg, a seasoned aerospace executive, succeeds Dave Calhoun, who has served as CEO since January 2020 and announced his retirement earlier this year. The Boeing Company was founded by William Boeing in Seattle, Washington, on 15 July 1916. Question number 10. As per Knight Frank report, which city has become India's most affordable housing market? Answer is Ahmedabad. A recent report by Knight Frank India, Ahmedabad has emerged as the most affordable housing market with an equated monthly installment (EMI) to income ratio of 21% for an average household. Following closely are Pune and Kolkata, each with an EMI to income ratio of 24%. In contrast, Mumbai continues to be the least affordable housing market among the 8 cities, with an EMI to income ratio of 51%. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.